Hello friends, welcome to all. Today we are discuss about the important term skin effect and proximity effect under the subject transmission and distribution of electrical power in 4th sem diploma electrical engineering. The subject code 3340902. What is skin effect? Skin effect are occur in the conductor which are used in transmission and distribution line. Skin effect means the non-uniformly distribution of electric current in the conductor. How it is possible? When the alternating current pass through this conductor, the current density does not remain the same. When the alternating current pass through the conductor, the current density does not remains the same, means current is less in the inner section and it increase when we go the outer surface. This is called the skin effect, means the tendency of alternating current to concentrate near the surface of the conductor, it is called the skin effect. Here the circular plane of the conductor can be divided into the number of closed concentric circles. Each part has a resistance and inductance. The resistance and inductance are R1, R2, R3 and L1, L2, L3 respectively. Inductance means flux linkage per ampere. When the alternating current passes through the conductor, then the magnetic field is produced. But the flux linkage are maximum in the inner surface of the conductor. So, the flux linkage are maximum in the inner surface of the conductor. So, the inductance are maximum. The equation XL is equal to 2 pi FL. The inductance are more, so the XL are more, then the impedance Z are maximum and the current will be decreased in the inner surface of the conductor. When we go outside of the circle, then the current are decreased. Here the inductance L3 greater than L2 greater than L1 and the current I1 greater than I2 greater than I3. When the DC current passes through the conductor, it distributes uniformly throughout the cross section. Means in DC supply there are no frequency, the frequency are 0, the inductive reactance 0, so impedance 0 and the current are maximum. Means the whole cross section area of the conductor are utilized. While in AC supply, the whole cross section area of the conductor are not utilized. The factor affecting the skin effect. When the frequency are increased, then the skin effect are increased. When the diameter of the conductor are more, then the skin effect are increased. When we use the magnetic material, then the skin effect are increased. And in solid conductor, the skin effect are more, while in ACSR or standard conductor. What is proximity effect? Proximity effect, when the current passes through the conductor, here the two conductor X and Y. When current passes through the conductor, then the magnetic field are produced. When the another conductor Y is placed near to it, then the flux linkage, but the flux linkage is not uniform. When the direction of current, when the direction of both the conductor are same, so the attraction force will be induced between them. So the maximum so the flux pass through the opposite side of the conductor, means the maximum flux will be induced in the opposite side of the conductor. So the inductance are maximum and inductive reactance maximum, impedance Z maximum and current are reduced in the opposite side of the conductor, and more current will be flow the inside of the conductor. When the direction of both the conductor are reversed, so the repulsion force will be induced between them. So the maximum flux will be induced in the inner side of the conductor, inside of the conductor, means the flux will be passed through this side, this side. So the flux linkage will be maximum inside of the conductor. So the flux linkage maximum, the inductance maximum and inductive reactance maximum and impedance Z maximum, and the current are decreased inside of the conductor. So the more current will be passed to the opposite side of the conductor, like this. Means the current distribution become non-uniform due to the proximity effect. Due to the proximity effect, the effective area of the conductor are decreased, means whole cross section area of the conductor are not utilized. The proximity effect is less in overhead transmission line because the distance between the two conductors are more other than underground cable, but this effect is more in underground cable because the distance between the two conductors are less in underground cable. The factor affecting the proximity effect: when the frequency are increased, then the proximity effect are increased. In magnetic, when we use the magnetic material, then the proximity effect are increased. When the diameter of the conductor are increased, then the proximity effect are increased. When we solid conductor are used, then the proximity effect are increased. So the ACSR conductor use. Thank you.